Welcome back to another edition of the Missing and Abducted. I have an update on the Watkins missing children case. For Stephen Watkins posted on his Watkins Missing Children Facebook page earlier today that Reunite International, an NGO based out of the UK but operates in all of Europe, who raises awareness of international parental child abductions, was asked not to send their lawyers to Poland for his Hague appeal by the Polish Central Authority. The UK embassy staff may have also been turned away, but this is unconfirmed, he said. In a letter received by Canada on the same day, just literally hours after the appeal was heard, the Polish Central Authority answered questions to Canada that was sent on April 23rd of this year, which stated, in accordance with the Polish Code of Civil Procedure, appellant is entitled to attend the hearing. The attendance of observers, national, international, governmental, non-governmental representatives depends on judge's decision, who is dealing with the case, if he or she decides that it is appropriate in the case. In the end, no one was asked to leave the court. A decision on whether his sons will be ordered returned to Canada is to be made by the Polish Hague Appeal Court on May 29th. And he spoke with Global News after his case, about bringing his two sons home to Canada. Stuart Greer reports.
Stuart Greer is in Warsaw tonight following the story for us. Stuart?
Donna, few things can be worse for a parent than having your children abducted. Now imagine the relief when they're found and the frustration of not being allowed to take them back home. Stephen Watkins has traveled 7,000 kilometers to retrieve his abducted sons, but hopes of a reunion have been dashed by a bitter and bizarre legal battle.
Not knowing where your kids are and missing, and then 2.5 years eventually turning up, and then to find out that another country has decided not to send them back, it's ridiculous. The longer my kids are in the situation, the more abuse that they are feeling.
Authorities discovered the boys in Poland when a school they were attending raised concerns about abuse, but a court ruled against their return to Canada, saying they had already adapted to their new lives.
The abductor broke the law, and she is rewarded, unfortunately.
Today's appeal by Watkins argues Poland is flouting international law that requires abducted kids be returned to their home country. He's getting the support of missing children's groups across Europe and from Ottawa, which this week leaned on the visiting Polish Prime Minister.
The Canadian government has been given consular assistance and giving assistance to ultimately enforce Canadian court orders in this case.
Stephen isn't optimistic he'll win his appeal, but he's not about to give up.
What motivates someone to keep on fighting? It's because it's your kids, because you love your kids. And if it's not going to be a parent that's going to fight for them, no one's going to fight for them.
Now, a decision is expected in 2 weeks on May 29th, but if the Polish courts rule against sending the children back to Canada, Stephen Watkins says he'll take his case further to the European Court of Human Rights. Donna.
Thank you, Stuart Greer in Poland tonight.
And I did talk with Stephen Watkins earlier today about this case, and he said he is going to be coming back to Toronto, Canada on Monday to finish up some work on some stuff he's supposed to be doing for International and National Missing Children's Day on Facebook. And he's going to be joining us on Missing Kids TV on Blog Talk Radio Friday, May 25th. International Missing Children's Day, to be talking about that and the QR codes in AR technology. So stay tuned in for that on Blog Talk Radio. So we're going to leave you off, close this video with this song and video that Stephen Watkins made.
third straight day, police in New York are digging up a basement, hoping to find clues to the boy's disappearance.
Hi, this is Bob Carson from Carson's Corner on Underground Progressive Radio, and you are listening to the Missing and Abducted Radio Show, a voice for the missing and raising awareness and bringing media coverage to you only on SYM Radio and Carson's Corner at blogtalkradio.com/Carson's Corner.